In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube thumbnails with Nanobanana Pro. So here in model, I'm going to change the model to Nanobanana Pro. And what we're going to do is to use this prompt. This is the prompt that I use to create my thumbnails. But I use usually GPT Image 2. So here, what we're going to do is where it says video topic, we have to write our video topic that usually is our title. So let's put AI UGC tutorial, for example. And here in the overlay text is the text that is going to appear in the thumbnail. So let's put AI UGC, for example. And now we have to click in reference. And here I'm going to upload an image of an UGC girl that I did in another tutorial. So let's click here. And now we have to click here and change the aspect ratio to horizontal. And now we have to click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality is really good. So if you like it, I wanted to tell you that you can try this platform for only $1 if you are a new user. So after saying that, see you in the next video.